Hello everyone, this is the unseen passage that was there in UGC NET this January 2025. In this video, I would be explaining you this unseen passage and the answers of these passage. So I think it is very clear what the actual passage was all about. So I would be telling you the answers of these questions that was there in the passage. So question number 46, that means who among the following allowed scope for creative imagination? According to the passage, if you can see the Arabian Nights, you can see clearly the answer, the Arabian Night cycle. That is the answer for the question 46. If you see how is Sanskrit prose described in the passage, so Sanskrit prose is clearly defined as simple and dignified. So the answer is first. So the question 48, the most significant literacy event in the 19th century according to the passage was, so that is there, the answer is there in the first line. In the most important literacy event in the 19th century was the emergence of literacy. So the answer would be the emergence of literacy prose in the modern Indian language. So I hope the answers are clear to you. The question 49, what is the purpose of the author writing in Persian prose as described in the passage? So you can clearly see that the Persian prose in the main treat series and learn topics, and the answer was to inform and to uplift. So the answer is, so the answer for the question 49 would be second, to inform and uplift the readers. Last question, that is the question number 50. According to the passage, the Persian prose deal with, the answer for this question is serious and learn topics. So this is the complete passage that was there in UGC NET, and if you read the passage you will be getting the answers very easily, and the passage was quite simple. Hope it helps you. If you have any doubt, you can DM me, message me. I will be coming future with such videos. Please follow my page. Thank you.